Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, that intro was complete garbage. Don't worry about it. I'm trying to get back in this whole YouTube thing. So, with that being said, last summer, Sparky let me take his Pagani down a runway at a private event. I had this video on my phone locked up for a while, and it was too good not to share with you guys. So, for my first video, here's me taking a Pagani down a runway, and man, does it sound awesome. I gotta do a roll and start.
Why?
We good? Are we good?
When you come back, she wants to ride with you now.
All right, I'm good?
You're good, go ahead.
Scott?